Hi, welcome back to Signhouse TV. On this episode of Signhouse TV, I'll be covering our range of premium floor graphics from one of our partners, General Formulations. So stay tuned because this is going to be a really interesting range of products for print houses and sign makers. General Formulations is a company that's been founded in 1953. So they've been in the production of self-adhesive vinyls and print products for many years now. Their manufacturing base is located in the USA, and we're very proud to be a partner of theirs for a number of years now. So I want to cover some of the products specifically in their range of floor graphics medias, because in the past couple of months, obviously many sign makers and print houses have been using different grades of products, and including the General Formulations products. And obviously as sign makers, print houses and end customers also start to notice not all floor graphics products are made equal. And this is very important to understand the variances in terms of quality and application for different products. Because while it may be acceptable to use a standard print vinyl and a standard lamination, which is meant for posters or wall graphics, they are not going to last very well on the floor, especially in high traffic areas. And standard vinyls and laminations might even last only a couple of days before they start looking very poorly, start peeling off from the edges, and this reflects very poorly also on the work that the sign maker is doing, or even the brand where the graphics are located, or the store where it is located. So it's very important to learn about these products or understand some of these basics of these products so that you can start recommending it to your clients. While all clients may not be conducive or open to using such premium products, it's very important to educate them so that they know that when you use a standard vinyl and lamination, they definitely will have to replace that on a more frequent basis. And they might already be noticing that frequency of replacement. And there is obviously a lot of cost when you're doing it multiple times. And with these products, that is definitely eliminated. And it only has to be done once in 6 months or even once in a year, depending on how much traffic is there in that area. In the General Formulations range, our flagship product for floor graphics laminate is our traffic graphic product. This is the floor laminate with the code 109. It is the flagship product because this is what we recommend for all high traffic areas, indoors especially, where you need to ensure that the quality of the visual stays as it is from the day you install it till the day you remove it. So with this product, it is a 125 micron thickness product. Right away you might think that is not as thick as some of the floor laminates that I use, but thickness is not always the determining factor in the quality. The texture is very important, and obviously the glue adhesion to the vinyl itself. And here we have a nice matte textured surface which ensures that not only is it slip resistant, it does not scratch easily. And we have noticed, and our customers have noticed, with higher thickness floor laminates, what tends to happen most of the time is that they get deep scratches, and with cleaning and movement of people, dust enters into these scratches, and within a week or so it starts to look very poorly. So with this thinner, nice texture ensures you don't get those scratches, and that slip resistance also is especially great for high traffic areas where they might even ask for such certifications. So this comes with a certification called R9, which has been tested in a lab setting that provides that kind of certification, so that it ensures that even at a 9-degree slope, somebody walking with heels or with wet shoes does not slip on this laminate, or which is covering the floor graphic. So this is the main reason why this is our flagship product and one of the most recommended products for floor graphics for long-term use. The standard durability is 6 months, but obviously that can even extend for much longer depending on the traffic, and 6 months is for very high traffic areas. So it's very important to start recommending this for your customers so that they can save money in terms of avoiding frequent replacement. At the same time, you could also upsell and create a higher value product and proposition to your client. So in the floor graphic range, we also have a PP product, and this product is recommended for shorter term durability, so say 2 to 3 months where you have low to medium traffic. We recommend our PP laminate product. This is the 213 laminate from General Formulations. Additionally, such a medium term laminate could be also ideally be used on tabletop surfaces or counters where you need a laminate to be protecting your graphic, and that has to be cleaned regularly, and you don't want it to affect the quality of the visual. So this is a perfect laminate for that application. At the same time, it has food grade certification, so that for indirect food contact it is recommended, and also it meets UL standards. This is again a product that's ideally recommended for low to medium traffic areas, and also for clients who prefer to have non-PVC products. This is a great alternative for them, and much more premium obviously compared to standard economy floor laminates. This is a great product for those applications. On the top end of our floor graphic laminates from General Formulations is the GF103. This is a polycarbonate over laminate film, so it is non-PVC. So especially for clients who prefer non-PVC products and want the green points or the lead points, this is a great product for that need. At the same time, being polycarbonate, it has fire retardant properties and will be sufficient for many high traffic areas in, for example, airports or malls or metro stations where they need this requirement. And the laminate film also, even though it is a polycarbonate, it can be easily cold laminated on top of your printed graphics using a standard cold laminating machine. It doesn't need any special equipment, and it also has a very nice matte textured surface that gives the graphic a non-glare effect, so that it stays highly visible and high quality for a very long time. Also, this product is 125 microns in thickness, so being of that thickness and polycarbonate, it is not going to have deep scratches and will not attract dirt within the laminate itself, and with any standard cleaning or mopping, it will just easily be fresh and clean again. So to go along with your great floor laminates, you obviously need great floor vinyls or printable vinyls for applying to the floor surface, which you're going to protect with the floor laminate. And to go along with the non-PVC theme as well, General Formulations manufactures a great product, which is a PP Fillin for floor graphics. This is a product we recommend mainly for projects, again, where non-PVC products are welcomed and preferred. With the PP vinyl, you can get it in a high-tack removable adhesive or a standard removable adhesive. So obviously these are slightly variant in terms of the initial tack. A high-tack removable will have a very high initial tack, which also adhere very strongly initially, whereas a standard removable adhesive has a tack which will get stronger over time. So this allows the applicator or the vinyl applicator to reposition the graphics if he's not happy with the initial placement. So these are two variants we have for specifically for projects where you need non-PVC alternatives. We recommend the PP film in combination with the PP laminate, or the PP vinyl in combination with the polycarbonate laminate. So then you have two great products which are non-PVC based and either a medium term or a long term solution. So we cannot talk about floor graphics without also talking about carpeted surfaces, and carpeted surfaces also sometimes require temporary graphics or wayfinding or directional signage. So for that specific application, General Formulation makes a product called the carpet film, the GF212. And this is specifically made for low pile carpets, or the type of carpets you might see in conference rooms or exhibition halls, which are somewhat thin in nature. And the film itself is coated with an adhesive that is specifically made for these kind of carpet surfaces, because if you apply a standard vinyl or many of the other vinyls on a carpeted surface, it will not adhere well, and the film itself will start lifting off from the edges and very quickly will even just completely peel off, and which would look very poor. So this specific adhesive that is applied to this film ensures that it stays put on the carpet and provides that high graphic visual that you're looking for. It comes in a 85 micron thickness and is also B1 certified for fire resistance. So it's great for trade shows especially, or areas where that might be of importance. Another very high demand product is the 285. So this is really a multi-purpose product for smooth or textured floors and walls. This product ideally is used with the flagship laminate for flooring when you're using on the floor graphics, or it could be used just without a laminate even on rough surfaces where you need to keep it for a shorter duration. This is really a multi-purpose product, hence the high demand for it for special applications. It comes in 90 micron thickness, so it's easy to handle, easy to use. At the same time, the adhesive on the film is of a high quality, which is a clear removable adhesive. So this is also the removable nature of the adhesive ensures that when you remove it from even marble floorings or high value floorings, after many months it is not going to leave any residue on the surface. So this is of very high importance, especially in floor graphics, when a client is applying hundreds of square meters of it or many pieces throughout a public area. When they want to change the graphic or remove it later, it should not leave glue residue all over the place, which is going to end up adding up a lot of time and cost in cleaning it up at a later date. And this is really a high demand product for trade events, for events when they're uncertain of the surfaces they're going to deal with at a specific venue. This is a product they can count on for multi-purpose application throughout the walls and floors to ensure high quality branding throughout. I hope you found that interesting, the explanations about the premium range of General Formulations. So as I mentioned during the explanation, some of these are non-PVC, which are great for certain criteria. Some of these are fire resistant with the required certifications, or even slip resistant when you need those criteria. So I hope you contact us to get more information about these products so that you start using them in your projects soon, and try to apply these for your clients so that they can also achieve high quality results when it comes to floor graphics or visuals that are going to last for much longer than the standard economical products. Please make sure to like, subscribe, follow, or share this video wherever you're watching it, and feel free to also contact me on my WhatsApp number if you'd like to get more information about our products or anything about the sign industry that I might be able to help you on. And thanks a lot for watching.